So here's the lock. It's locked at the moment, and I'm going to pick it. I'm just trying to master it. So I'm going to put it in. Wow, I did that in 19 seconds. Can you believe that? Including telling you what I was going to do. Pretty cool. So I'm starting to get the hang of how to open it. See if I can do it in 2 seconds. Once I can do it in 2 seconds, I'm going to move on to the next lock. Okay, so put it in. It's all about moving the keys in a certain way. The pins, should I say, not keys. If I was using a key, I'd open it within 1 second or less. Okay, so yeah, just use this one. Done it again. See? See if I can do it again. Make sure I got it on the right way. Did it again. See? Not 3 times in a minute and a half. Okay. Try it again. I just have to feel it when it's going to go. Okay. See? I've done it again. Sort of getting to know it. I just want to try it so many times as I'm new to this. Just understand the lock really, innit? Can hear it moving, and I'm not even using, all I'm doing is using one tool. I'm not even using, where's that tool now? If I can find it, one of these. Usually you can put that one in and then you hold it and put it in place, but it was doing my head in so much. Decided to do it with that one. Okay. It's easier if you've got one tool to do it with. Maybe it might take a bit quicker doing it with that one, I don't know. But here you go. I just need to concentrate. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, I'll get there. Just have to remember how to do it. Now I can't do it. There you go. Again. Look it again. You can get faster this time. Oh, okay, I'll get a hang of it. Okay. Okay. It's like how you get the hang of it and stuff like that. But basically, I've done it quite a few times. The more I talk, the more I'm not doing it. But if I just concentrate, I'll get there. Okay, so I'll put this in. Put this side. You shake it about. Okay, you shake it. If I can do it again.
Get me dry. Sorry.
So get that in again.
Clean him.
Okay. I heard something then. Ugh. I'm not getting it now, am I? I've totally forgot how to do it, but it's fine. I know, it's just, I don't think I'm concentrating. Got a lot on my mind, I think. Okay. 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 Oh, I need to finish this with picking a lock, don't I now? I look silly, I can't do it. I'm going to get there. I'm super hesitant, so it's all good. First time I did it though was 19 seconds, so that was pretty good. No, of the video just now. It's better in 2 minutes, but it's better in a minute. It's better in 4 minutes, should I say. Okay, I'm going to give that up today because the video's getting a bit longer now. And I'll give another try later. But thank you for watching. It's really good. And stay tuned for more videos like this. When the weather's, at the moment, the weather's so cold but wet. So it's hard to go metal detecting as it's basically when I go in my garden, it's like walking in a bowl, a garden, a pool of muddy water. So it's just so muddy. So, and because it's cold as well, it's really hard to do some metal detect in my garden or at the beach. So I'm going to just do some inside the next week, probably just stuff like this. Hopefully if the weather gets better and dry for a few days, I'll be able to go in my garden and do some digging. I'm digging up a hole in the garden at the moment to make it all flat, so I can put some swings and stuff, climbing frames for my kids. But so yeah, so basically I'll do this when I'm talking. So basically yeah, I thought I might as well metal detect it at the same time because and make it flat, innit? But oh, you just need to get a hand of this. It'll get easy each time, I think. When I'm not doing it on camera, I think I find it easier because I got the camera in front of me. It's in the way a bit. I am doing it a bit quicker when I'm off camera, but other than that, you know, it's all good. You can see I picked the lock like quite a few times in this video. And yeah, so hopefully I'll be doing more metal detecting videos really shortly. It just has to be, the weather has